All right. So we all know that we've got our left side here equals our right side, correct? Yeah. We know that the left side must equal to the right side, right? Okay. Now remember I said your main. So remember I said here, your main objective is to get all of the letters on one side and move all of the numbers on the other side. Remember I said that's what you're trying to do. You're trying to have on the left side the numbers or letters, and then on one side you're trying to have the numbers. So let's say, for example, the only thing I want to have on the left side is this x. The only thing I want on my left side is the x. I need to get rid of the -2 and I need to get rid of this ×2. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is I will select the -2, right? Because I don't want this here. And the only place that it can go to is the right side. It can't go anywhere else, right? There's nothing here, there's nothing down here or up there. The only place this -2 can move to is my right side. Now, when I move this -2, it's being removed from the left side and it's being moved to the right side. Because I'm moving it, I need to change the sign. The minus will become a +2. Because from our table, I know a minus will turn into a plus. So if you have something on the left side which is a minus, on the right side it will become a plus. So I'm moving this -2, I'm moving it to the right, and it's going to change to a plus. Okay, it's going to change to a plus. Now the next line, I will rewrite everything nice and neat. I didn't do anything to 2x, right? I didn't touch 2x. The only thing I touched was the -2. So the 2x remains there because I didn't do anything to it. It was left untouched. The only thing I moved, I circled in red, which is on my right side now. What is left on my right side? I've got my 8. Again, I didn't do anything to 8. The only addition that we have is this +2 that came from the left. Okay, this +2 is the thing I moved from my left side to my right side. Okay, do you understand how it's 2x equals 8 + 2 now? All we are doing is we are moving the -2 from the left side to the right side. And it's important that you know your table here. So I will write this table out again. Okay, please make sure you memorize it.
Always, what's the answer?
5, I think. Yes, you do this for every question. Every question you're trying to move all of the numbers onto one side and the letters on one side. But we are not finished yet. Because Rayhan, the problem is I still have a 2 here. Right? Let me solve this as I know. So let me say 2x equals 10. Rayhan, the problem is I still have a 2 here, which I need to get rid of. Okay? So again, I'm going to highlight my 2. I'm going to move it to the right because that's the only place it can go to. It's 2x. So that means it's 2 times, right? So I check my table. The opposite of times is divide. So I will divide 2 here, divide 2 there. Okay, so now that 2 is gone, the only thing that you're left with is x equals 10 divided by 2. And then I know 10 divided by 2 is 5, so x equals 5. So guys, please copy down the question in your books.